What's good, YouTube? StrikeMax301 here. I'm back again, and today, in case you're wondering, I have had problems trying to merge videos, so right now I'm doing this straightforward. So no face cam this time around, but today I wanted to open up a package on screen. A package that I received about a week or two ago that I've gotten this package, and I haven't opened it yet because I wanted to open this on camera, like I said, and show you the people first. Now, this card opening is basically a card that I bought online. Want to give thanks to Jonathan Crawford. Yeah, Jonathan Crawford from. Okay, hold on. I'm sorry. It's not focusing. Focus. Thank you. Jonathan Crawford in Westfield, Illinois. No. Indiana. I'm kind of sure. But anywho, give thanks to him for this card opening. Let's see what we got in here. Right away, I'm gonna have to cut up some of this stuff. Oh boy, yeah, this is gonna take a little time. I apologize. Really want to make sure I got this without problem. I hate to cut up this thing, but I always hate doing that. Let's see here. Okay, open up. Let's see what we got in here. Oh, interesting. Put them in a Ziploc bag. Interesting enough. Okay, so let's see what we got here. So let's see, we have Dark Charizard. Good amount of dark. Dark Crobat. Nice. Ooh. Is that a... Wow, that's a holographic shiny Sabrina's Gengar. Interesting. Got a hollow Sabrina's Gengar. I think I know who I'm gonna send that to, maybe. In case you're wondering, this card is one of the old school cards, so yeah, Mo? I know someone who would love that. So let's see what else we got in here. Dark Weezing. A lot of darks. Cool Porygon. That's a promo, yeah. Not sure why it has cool in its name, but okay. This one's a little messed up, but that's okay. It's Rocket's Hitmonchan. Definitely a Team Rocket Hitmonchan. And there's a Venomoth. Another Sabrina's Gengar. Okay, so there was a shiny and there was a regular one. Definitely have a friend who's gonna love Gengar. I should send this over to him, if anything. Anywho, Beedrill. Then we got a New Age Sandslash. Then a Sawsbuck. I actually don't know this Pokemon. I've never seen this one before. Interesting. I don't know if this is 5th or 6th gen. Because I've never seen that Pokemon before. Never. Anywho, there's Doduo, Old School Miltank, a Togepi. Yeah, I've noticed some of the cards are bent out, but that's okay. I don't mind that. Then we got Wayne's Charmeleon. Goofy little Charmeleon. Then Lieutenant Surgeon Eevee. Seeking. A Weezing. New School Marowak. Kakuna. I think I have a ton of these actually, but always nice to get more. New School Relicanth. Energy Retrieval. Energy Removal. Berry. Moo Moo Milk. Soup. This is actually one of the potion cards I've been missing. Super Potion. Bill. Potion. Pokeball. Warp Point. Oh, Warp Point. I've never seen this one actually. If your opponent has any bench Pokemon, he or she chooses one of them and switches it with his or her active Pokemon. Then, if you have any bench Pokemon, you switch one of them with your. Okay, so it's basically a free retreat and switch. Okay. Gust of Wind. There's my old school Pikachu. Pika Pika. Ghastly. Not surprised there's a Ghastly in there. Goldeen. Cubone. An Eevee. This is one of the. I actually forgot what pack this came from, but it's definitely Eevee. Giovanni's Machop. Alpha Machop. Rhyhorn. Magnemite. Misty's Poliwag. A Jigglypuff. I think I'm actually missing a Jigglypuff. That's the I think. A Psyduck. Guessing from the Team Rocket pack. I don't know if that's a faded card, or if that's an intentional fade, or if this is a fake. I'm not entirely sure. I don't think it's a fake. I'm not sure. Either this card is fading or it's purposely faded. I'm gonna have to look into this. I don't think it's fake, but it looks like the print art's fading. Whether it's intentional or not, or whether it was printed that way or not, I don't know. Interesting. Anyway, there's Cyndaquil. Koga's busy. I never remember Koga having a flying type, other than Crobat. Well, Golbat in the anime, Crobat when he became Elite 4. Erica's Bellsprout. Interesting. Brock's Mankey. Brock's Geodude. Sudowoodo. Sandshrew. I think I'm actually missing. Sabrina's Mr. Mime. Interesting. And another Magnemite. Alright. Nice little. Gonna keep them in the order that I revealed them. Yeah. So, once again, thanks to Jonathan Crawford for the cards. Let's see here. Yeah. I definitely know a certain person who would love Gengar. Who would love these Gengar cards. I definitely know someone who would love them. And who knows, I may even give them both these Gengar cards. I may actually keep one of them, who knows, because I've never gotten Sabrina's Gengar ever before. Obviously they're both from the same pack, but they're different. One has Dark Wave, while Pokemon Power stop working until the end of your opponent's next turn, and Shadow Bind, and then the other one has Pain Amplifier. And then Call of the Night. And then Shadow Bind. Okay. Oh, I just realized that Dark Charizard is a hollow Dark Charizard. Alright. Obviously when it says Dark, it's most likely a Team Rocket card. Yeah, they're normally Team Rocket cards. The Dark Crobat. Oh, that's also hollow. I didn't even realize that. Pokepower is Black Beam. Once during your turn, you attack. If Dark Crobat is your active Pokemon, you may choose one of the defending Pokemon. That Pokemon is now poisoned. This power can't be used if Dark Crobat is affected by a special. No Oh, this Pokemon is both Grass and Dark type. Interesting. That's a Rocket card. Oh yeah. Definitely nice. Thank you again, Jonathan, for the cards. So that's gonna do it for this video. Again, no face cam this time because, well, I'm having problems merging videos for some reason. But thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. I will see you next time.